In today's market, sticking a sign in the yard that says for sale is no longer enough to get buyers to come and make an offer. In this video, I'm going to dive into exactly why your home may expire on the MLS. My name is Mwazomela, and I'm a real estate agent and realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty here in Newport, East Virginia. If you have any questions regarding the advice I give you in this video, feel free to contact me and I'll be happy to give you some more insight on exactly what we can do to get your home sold. Marketing is a part of price, and price is not a part of marketing. As long as the home was marketed to show the value to potential buyers, you should be able to get at least a few offers on the home. And one of the things that marketing relies on is great photos, because buyers fall in love with what they see first, and then they also want to tour the house virtually. In most cases nowadays, we're seeing a great surge in that. So virtual open houses and virtual tours are becoming way more popular because, especially with out-of-state buyers, they want to make sure it's worth their time to even come and see your home. So what we can do is we can make sure that the photos show great, the videos are great, and we're putting that advertisement on multiple avenues, which include company websites that, they're looking on, as well as just like pop-up ads, so that as you're browsing on the internet, and if you've already indicated that you're looking for a house, Google can target you based off those interests. So when I meet with you, if you decide to work with me, I would definitely make sure to develop a marketing strategy that can still get you exactly the price you're looking for, and make sure we also are seen by as many people as possible. Number 2 is overpricing. And this can happen one or two ways. It can happen when the market shifts dramatically, and sometimes the price you got when you first met with your agent is now not so great because of the competition and because the market has shifted. So what you want in a good agent is somebody who can constantly evaluate whether or not your home is priced where the market is kind of saying it should be priced at. Because once we get to like about 10% less fair market value is, we can see that like as much as sometimes 92% of people might consider coming to see that house, compared to if it was at fair market value, maybe about 60% may consider seeing the house if they can afford it. And if you were to price 10% more than what the market's saying at the moment, we can see that number of people who want to even question whether or not they should schedule an appointment and make an offer drop down to like 2%. So really what we want to do is make sure that we're constantly evaluating if that price is reasonable, because we can go down, but if we go down and stay on the market for a really long time, people start to think something's wrong with the house. And I don't want you to end up in a position where your house doesn't look as attractive just because you started off at the wrong price and didn't stay on top of the trends. The third reason why your home may expire on the MLS is the property condition. And this is really tied into price and marketing, and that's why it's the third reason. So if your property condition doesn't really compare to other homes, because maybe you have the original roof, the original floors, the original kitchen from when you first purchased the home or when it was built, it could be outdated, and they may consider that the price you're asking for is much more than what they're willing to pay for a similar home with certain upgrades. And every property owner may decide that it's worth it or not worth it to do upgrades and staging. So I would ask you to consider whether or not you think the property condition matches what Truilla or Zillow is telling you the home is worth, because a lot of those times those services are taking into account the property prices of homes that are new construction or have recently been built around you. So that can kind of adjust the price so that it appears that your home has gone up a lot in value, but it might not have gone up as much if you're also not keeping up to date with any repairs and upgrades that may be required for your home. So even if you decide, I don't want to put any more money into this house, as long as you're able to market that correctly and price it based off the condition, it can still be attractive to buyers as long as you're also open to the idea of maybe even offering credits or adding to closing costs and making the incentive more attractive if you're steady on that price, because that's what you need to sell the home and pay off your mortgage. So in conclusion, we discussed kind of three major things that are reasons why a home might expire on the MLS. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. I have my website linked below, and I would love to talk to you and let you know exactly what we can do to get your home sold. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.